Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Gail. Our analyst maintains buy on Gail with an unchanged price target of Rs 135. We expect Gail to post earnings recovery across business segment in FY24, supported by stabilizing global LNG supply and price, higher gas pipeline volume and transmission, tariff, turnaround of its petrochemical business, and higher margin for LPG LHC segment, supported by APM gas price cap of $6.5 per MMBTU versus $8.6 per MMBTU earlier. Valuation of 6.4 times its FY25 earnings EV by EBITDA is reasonable given a steep discount of 24% compared to the historical average of 8.4 times. An expectation of a strong PAT CAGR of 38% over FY23 to FY25 on low base of FY23. Likely higher ROE of 16% in FY25 and a healthy dividend yield of 4 to 5%. Next on radar is Carysil Ltd. Our analyst has a positive view on Carysil owing to favorable valuation and strong global and local growth tailwinds. The company had reported a 17% year-on-year dip in consolidated revenues in Q1 affected by SAP implementation. Lower scale and operating profit margins had led to a 38% year-on-year decline in consolidated PAT. It expects annual revenue run rate of 720 to 750 crore from Q2, while it has retained consolidated revenue target of Rs 1000 crore and 20% operating profit margins for FY25. FY25 revenue growth is expected to be driven by a mix of organic and inorganic growth. Its stainless steel capacity doubled from July 23. It has bought additional land for future expansion. Its appliance first phase commissioning and faucet assembly line are expected in second half of FY24. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.